You guys ready to have a good time? Let me hear you say yeah! All right, we got it going down here. I'm gonna test the energy in the room. I want everybody on this side of the arena, let me hear you make some noise! Oh, that's not too bad, not too bad. How about on this side? I know you guys can do better. Let me hear you make some noise! All right, there we go. Well, welcome to the night's festivities. This is the flagship night event here at Tech Fest 2024. It's been 28 Tech Fest, and you guys have been here for all of them, so we thank you for that. Tonight will be a fusion of technology and entertainment. We got a lot of different performances for you tonight. We got laser shows, drone shows, performances, robot DJs. It's all going down. Are you guys ready to have a good time? Or you can say yeah! All right, let's test the temperature. When I say tech, you say fest. Tech, fest, tech, fest. When I say tech, you say fest. Performance is going to be amazing. We know this is Tech Fest, right? So it's all about technology. So this is going to be AI music generated, so it's going to be great. It is the first ever humanoid robot DJ exhibited here in India. Are you guys excited for that? Are you guys ready to party? It's about to go down. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. So one more time, when I say tech, you say fest. Tech, tech. All right, without further ado, all the way from Japan, give a big Tech Fest IIT Bombay welcome to DJ Robotics!
डबल